Hello, my name is LaRuth Martin, and I am the Computer Lab Manager at the Montgomery City County Public Library. In the previous video, we composed a basic Gmail message. In this video, we will learn to write a more formal business email along with learning Gmail tools such as creating a signature, attaching files, and learning about CC and BCC. Let's start with the subject line. The subject should be simple and straightforward. This will serve as the headline indicating the context or summary of the email. Moving on to the body of the business Gmail message. Begin with a greeting. Note that there are no indentations in writing a business email. When forming a greeting, be sure to be formal, such as to whom it may concern, or dear Mr., Mrs., or Ms. A business email should be formal, concise, and courteous. Press enter twice to start on the first paragraph. In a business email, do this when starting a new paragraph, as it is part of the format. Make sure the message is effective, clear, and to the point. Include your main topic and only necessary details. End with a brief, polite phrase expressing gratitude towards the recipient. Start a new line to place the closing, such as sincerely, cordially, or respectfully. Do the same for your name and signature. To create a signature in Gmail, click on the cogwheel in the top right corner. This will drop a menu. Click on Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down to Signature. Click on Create New. Type in your name and contact information. Underneath Signature Defaults, select your newly created signature under For New Email Use and on Reply Forward Use. Click on Save Changes at the bottom. You can turn off this feature anytime by selecting No Signature. All future messages will have your newly created signature on the bottom. For now, we will insert the signature. Continue your saved letter in your draft folder. At the bottom, use your signature tool, which is the pen icon. Click on your created signature. You are now ready to send. If there are any important documents, you can attach them by clicking on the paperclip icon beneath the message. Click on the document or file you wish to attach. CC or carbon copy allows you to send a copy of the email to anyone else you would like to include. If you would like to send a copy without the main recipients knowing, you would use the BCC option or blind carbon copy. Once you're ready, hit send.